how to use the configurable dockable panes in 2020 Design 12. In 2020 Design 12, we've included a new feature. If you head over to the View tab, this button is used to manage the cloud browser, the information box, placement box, and local browser. When clicking on the screen preset, it gives us a list of options. Initial would be the placement of the boxes that you see now. Leftmost puts everything on the left, and Classic puts everything to the way we had it in version 11. We also included a way where you can create your own custom layout. Say now, I'm going to place it like this. Now, all that's required is I go back to the screen preset and click on Save Custom. Now if I change everything around and I go back and click on Custom, it'll put everything back to the exact way that I've saved it. And that is how to use the configurable dockable panes in 2020 Design 12. Turn your questions into answers in seconds with the 2020 Knowledge Center.